Okay, good day everyone. I am Jennifer Lambina and we are here back again to solve another trivial problem that involves trigonometric identities and sinusoidal motion. We have a problem here, and sabi dito, ang first wheel is 2 meters above the ground and 60 meters ang diameter niya. Kaya sa graph natin makikita natin na 80 meters yung highest point niya kasi may plus 2 meters dahil ngayon yung lowest point. Para mahanap si midpoint, basically 18 plus 2 divided by 2, magiging 10 kakalapasan. And bakit ito yung formula natin? Kasi 10 minus 18 is negative 8. And since mag-start siya sa 2, which is wala sa origin, cosine agad yun. Period natin is 2 pi over b. Ang isang revolution time, nag-take up ng 30 seconds. Kaya 2 pi over 30 or simplify to pi over 15. So ang magiging formula is negative 8 cosine pi over 15 t plus 10 kasi yun yung midpoint or midline natin. Now another problem involved, no? We stand 20 meters away from the first wheel. And from that, dapat mahanapin natin ang angle from so 45 seconds and 57 seconds. Kunyari, andun na yung rider na yon, hanapin natin yung angle na yun para mahanap natin yung angle between 45 seconds and 57 seconds. So yun, insert lang siya kay t sa formula, negative 8 cosine pi over 15 times 45 plus 10, nalabas 18 meters sa cycle. And kay 57 seconds, same, negative 8 cosine pi over 15 times 57 plus 10, lalabas is 3.52786 meters. And gagamit na natin dito is 5 decimal places para mas madali sa calculation. Hiniwalay ko na yung dalawang triangle kasi ito yung hanapin natin dyan, yung a minus b. And since tayo ay andito, yan tayo, tangent ang magagamit ng trigonometric identity. So tangent A, 18 over 20 or 0.9, tangent B, 3.52768 over 20 or 0.17638. Gagamit lang si tangent A minus B para mahanap yung angle between them. So 0.9 minus 0.17368 over 1 plus 0.9 times 0.17638. Ang lalabas dyan is 0.62449. And since tangent A minus B siya, dapat sa A minus B lang hanapin natin para maging angle. Minultiply natin siya to the reciprocal of tangent, if I'm right, yung tan raised to negative 1. Ang lalabas dyan is a minus b equals 31.98437 or a minus b is approximately 32 degrees. Thank you. And additionally, I do think na nakalagay yung first wheel sa safe position. Hindi siya makakabangga ng structures near it or hindi niya mababangga yung obstacle courses. Kasi if we're gonna use common sense, as an engineer, bakit ako magde-design ng first wheel na mababangga niya yung obstacles or structures na nasa paligid niya, di ba? And based on calculation, I do think na wala namang mababangga. Actually, we don't really need calculation here. We just need common sense. And using it, yeah, safely position naman siya. Thank you. Bye-bye.